Here I have four charts, right? For sales, two charts are for sales and two charts for profit. So here we will be applying bookmarks. So basically, bookmarks are used to just show and hide the visibility of these charts on button click, right? That means to capture the view particularly. So here for that we will be going to insert tab here. We will be using button. So here you can use any kind of button for different features. You can use bookmark type of button as well, but again here we need to apply the functionality. So the basic workaround here is to see how we can apply bookmarks, the basic functionality. So here I am just using one button, right? It has just inserted a one blank button. So here under the style I am just turning on the text and using here the sales view, and applying some basic formatting, right? Like just increasing the font size, of making it bold, right? Just right. So this way now, same I will be just copying and pasting the same button and changing the text here. Let's say here profit view. Now my scenario is when I click this sales view button, then only the sales chart should show. And when I click on the profit button, then these charts should hide and the profit wala chart should show. For that, we need to just see how we can hide and show the visibility of the charts. So for that, just go to view tab. Here you have selections option. Just click on it. Here you will see what all the charts we have uh, inserted here. So here we have sum of sales and sum of COGS by country. Let me just collapse this, right, and expand this a little bit more. Here you see the complete title of these charts. So if I click on this I button, this chart has been um, hide, right? Same way, if I just see sum of profit and sum of COGS by country. So let me just hide this, and you see both the profit wale charts are hide now. Now I will go to my bookmark pane. Here you will see bookmarks, and we have no bookmarks yet. So just click on add here, and one bookmark will be added. So this bookmark has captured this particular view. Now you can rename it by just clicking on this eclipse button, right? Click on it and you can rename it. Let's say sales view, right? Now again you will just unhide these, again clicking on this I button, and you can hide the sales charts this way. And now you can again click on this add button under the bookmarks. Now this bookmark has captured the view, this particular view for the profits and these two buttons. You can now rename this bookmark. Let's say uh, profit view, right? Now I will just click on unhide these button icons, collapse this pane. Now I'll be selecting this sales view button. We'll go to format button here, and we will see the action option here. Just as of now, by default, it is turned off. Just click on this toggle button to make it uh, actionable button here. Just you will see under the action type here we have multiple kind of actions, right? So we have to apply bookmark. Just click on this bookmark here, and under the bookmark section this bookmark has been enabled and these two features are disabled. So here for the bookmarks, just click on it and choose which bookmark you have to apply. So sales view, correct. Now do the same for profit view. Just click on this profit view button, just toggle this on, choose the action type as bookmark, right? And under the bookmark choose profit view. Right now I will be clicking on this. If you hover over this button, you will see control plus click here to follow the link. So here I will be clicking on control and pressing the control button and clicking this. So you will see that these two charts are visible and these two are hide. So whatever the view we captured for the sales view bookmark, that is visible now. Again, I'll do the same thing for profit view. I will be pressing control and clicking this button. Now, for whatever the view we captured for profit view, that is visible. So under the bookmarks, we used to capture the view we have in the Power BI report and use that view in our buttons as action. Now if you are not aware of what buttons do and how we create them, then go to the previous tutorials and learn them, right? So this is how you apply the bookmark.